Hi students, welcome back to English class. How's things? Okay, alright. So today we're gonna start our new lesson 3 titled as The Desert. Have you been to desert? Yes, most of you had seen the pictures or in TVs you may be seen desert. Okay, so before starting our lesson,
Let's know few facts about desert.
now can you say which is the largest desert in the world? Which is the largest desert in the world? Yes, it's Sahara Desert. Now can you say where is this Sahara Desert? Yes, it's in North Africa. It's in North Africa, and the Sahara Desert is also called as the one of the hot desert. It is also known as hot desert. Now my next question, can you say which is the largest desert in India? Which is the largest desert in India? Yes, it's Thar Desert. It's Thar Desert. And can you say where is this Thar Desert? Yes, it's in northwest. Thar Desert is in northwest. We all are familiar with this term desert. Anybody know what is the meaning of this desert? Yes, desert means an abundant place. An abundant place. And 1/3 of the earth is desert. 1/3 of the earth is desert, and 20% of the desert is fully covered with sand. 20% of the desert is fully covered with sand. And what about the climate in the desert? Yes, it's really hot, right? But you should remember that the climate in the desert is hot in the morning time and cold in the night time. Hot in the morning time and cold in the night time. And the desert also contains many mineral deposits too. One of the important fact about the desert is camel is known as the ship of desert. As we all know that camel, we can see camel everywhere in the desert. And not only camel, but also there are many other desert animals that we can learn in this lesson. So this is all about the lesson, the desert. So let's have a quick summary of this lesson. All of you listen carefully.
The desert. This lesson describes a desert. When we hear the word desert, the image that comes to mind is that of a vast stretch of sand with no trees or plants. The word desert means a place that does not get rainfall and has no vegetation. However, this is not true. Deserts do receive rainfall, though only rarely. Deserts are not always flat, they can have hills, mountains, and oases. An oasis is a green island in the desert with a spring or a well supporting life. Deserts can be hot like Thar or cold like Ladakh. Some deserts have almost no water. In such deserts, strong winds lift heaps of sand and move them around, forming sand dunes. These sand dunes keep shifting all the time. Many people, animals, and plants live in deserts. They adapt themselves to the hot and dry conditions. Plants and animals living in deserts can survive with lesser water. For example, camels don't need to drink water every day. They don't sweat much and therefore they retain water in their body. Camels can also tolerate very high body temperatures. Smaller desert animals stay underground during the day and come out at night. They get their water from the meat of their prey. Other desert animals obtain water from the plants and seeds they eat. Cactus roots absorb moisture from the light occasional rains. The cactus stores water in its thick stem. Generally, the desert climate is dry and temperature varies significantly between day and night. Since deserts do not have a layer of moisture covering the earth's surface, the land is exposed to the harsh rays of the sun, so it is very hot during the day and cold at night. Like forests and oceans, deserts are also a part of nature with their own beauty and importance.
So that's all for today. Thank you.